Hi guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll show you some survival kits that I have ordered from Amazon. So in case you guys are looking for survival kits as for yourself or for gift for your brother, for your dad or for your husband, then definitely this review will help you. So these are the some of the survival kits that I have ordered from Amazon. So I'll show you one by one how this survival kits looks, and these are like 4 different varieties. So I'll show you one by one, and let's see how it looks. Let's open this one first. So these are the 4 different varieties. So this one is like one hammer, like a small hammer, and with some different varieties. So it is to open this one like this way, and it will like
press it like this. So you can just do like this, and then make sure don't have your fingers here, okay? Like this. So you can close it, and then this is how you can close this side, right? So if you have up to with practice, you can do like this. It is closed right now, right? So now if you want to open it, you just have to press little bit here harder, and then do like this. It's open, and then one after another you can open the knife, and then you can open this one like this. So be very careful like this. These are very sharp. Don't put your finger. It's very common practice to do like this, right? Don't do that while closing it. I would rather just use a table and then just close like this. It will be closed. So let's look at the hammer and the plier. So now you just close like this. It's closed. Now the hammer portion is here, and the plier is like this.
oh, this is plier.
Yes, so you can just use like a plier like this.
Oh, okay.
I think that's pretty much it. And we have one more thing here, just a screw. So the screw is like this.
So how to use the screw?
You have to hold like this and then just twist it, right? So before using the screw, what you can do, you just lock it. Now you just use the screw like here.
For the survival kits is okay.
Yeah. So this is to remove nails. This is to hammer purpose. This is your plier.
Let's open the other one. What is this? Oh, this is like a hammer. No, it's not a hammer. Oh, axe, I think.
Yeah, it's an axe.
Yeah, it's an axe. Oh, it's like dangerous. And this person is a hammer, and this is pretty much. I don't know where to use this one.
This one for plier purpose.
So this one is like a really sharp. So
Really sharp.
yes, this is like really dangerous.
So this has a hidden plier. You will be
Yeah.
surprised how they have tried to manufacture engineered it. It's really good.
Oh wow. Oh.
This is more convenient than the other one. Very nicely done.
Yeah.
It's more convenient than the other one.
Yeah. And other things are, oh my god, how to use
Yeah, so you will have all these groups, right? From there.
oh okay, so you can use these things, okay. Oh.
Careful.
So this is a sharp knife. Oh,
Careful.
okay. And this one is I don't know what to do with this one. What
This
is
one is
it?
also another knife, and then can opener and all this.
Oh, okay, can opener. And how to use this thing?
Which one?
It is screw thing.
This is screw tips, right? So those you can use on the top or somewhere here.
Oh, okay.
So here you put the screw tips and then
How to use this one?
you open
Oh,
like this.
okay. Oh, wow.
This is very convenient actually. You can actually use it.
Oh, from here you can use like this one, And this is like a really convenient way. You can use it as a screw.
That's why I always still don't use with finger. Use a table to just close it.
Okay.
No, don't put your finger here. Yes, like this.
Okay.
So while closing, it is little difficult. I mean, all these tools are little difficult while closing.
Yeah,
because
if you are not very good at this kind of thing, I would suggest don't buy it because it's like really dangerous, I think.
Yeah, I would
mean,
say.
if you are like a...
Just, a survival kit, right? You are missing one part of
yeah,
that
this
one.
is this is survival kit. That's why they have made it like compact and small.
But this one is much better than the other one.
Yeah, but if you are comparing from these two, I would suggest this one is better than this one. Yeah, this one is like a really great one. I mean, it's little difficult for me to use, but people who are looking actually very good at using this product, they are definitely like this one.
Yeah.
And next, this one, I'll see how this is. It's like better than this one because it's like some kind of like this material, and
this is similar actually. These two are
this one almost similar, but this is like a axe, and this is like a hammer, and it's almost the similar way.
Yeah, all the stuff is similar. Like here they have the screw tips,
which you can put here. All this screw. Oh, I don't know how to. Okay. You can remove this screw like this way. Put here and like do. Oh. Okay. Then
just twist it.
Oh, if you twist it like this way, you can find this plier. Oh. This is good. And
these dangerous knives are there.
oh, these are like the...
I would recommend don't open multiple tools at the same time because it gets really confusing and they overlap each other.
These two I like it, but this one is like little bit complicated for me. But these two are
this is definitely more complicated.
Yeah, more complicated and like
less useful because its plier is also built in such a way that it has complications while using. But in these, the pliers are being designed so nicely, and also the screw tip is attached here.
And it's like a little bit what I say, like using closing is like a little bit easier than this one is like very hard.
Yeah. This one to open and close is very tough. And you might, you
might get hurt.
You might cut your finger or something.
But these two are like
relatively easier, but all of them are difficult. It's
difficult to use. Yeah. I mean, it's a survival kit, so you don't have to use it regularly.
Yeah, so that's fine. Since we are comparing, so this one is most difficult. These two are easy, relatively easy to use. But all of them you need to be careful while using.
So the next, open this one. So this is the last one. So let's see how it looks. This is emergency blanket. So this one comes with an emergency. This is blanket. I don't know what kind of blanket is this. Oh, this is an aluminum foil blanket. Oh, so that's silver. You can see this has like a emergency blanket, which like kind of like a aluminum foil, and the packaging looks like really nice. This thing you can put it on your
chain or something to lock
like this way. Oh. Yeah. Okay, so look at the packaging, is really nice, so good. And this is this is a compass. Okay, it's good.
This is just a belt, right?
Yeah. What is this? Where can I use this one?
I don't know how to use it.
This is like a torch, I think.
Yeah, torch light.
Oh, torch light.
Like a flashlight something.
Oh, this is a flashlight, I think. I think probably it requires some battery. I don't have battery. This one. Oh, this is a flashlight. Looks nice.
I don't know what kind of pen is this.
And this is what is this?
I don't know most of it. What? Oh, this is some scale over here. I don't know.
Oh, okay. Oh, I think it's probably some measurement scale. And this one is a knife. And I don't know. Oh, this is a pen. So these are the things I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel.